The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Someone who goes by the moniker of Eggrad Crypto has made some bold claims regarding the next move, predicting a possible surge of 1,000 to 3,000%. In a second, I will demonstrate the chart that he is using, along with certain targets that he has identified. My optimistic thesis for XRP is built on technical analysis, and he's right there, which is interesting to me. I find it fascinating that he is contributing to the estimates I am making for our future in this cycle. After the XRP bull run begins, which, I think, we can all agree, is inevitable, nothing will happen. Time will eventually tell. Waiting is annoying and tedious, and I think a lot of us are sick of it. However, we must keep in mind that this is investment, and was never intended as a get-rich-quick technique. Having said that, we are aware that Bitcoin may generate millions of dollars and often experiences rapid price increases. Because of this, individuals occasionally fail to remember this and instead wish the transition had been more rapid than it actually was. And I completely get that, despite the fact that we are finally emerging from the SEC's extremely heavy suppression. Nevertheless, I feel compelled to delve into this matter because, according to experts, the price of XRP is expected to skyrocket to 3,000 in the near future. We all know that the cryptocurrency market has dropped significantly in the last several days. Hotting geopolitical tensions and macroeconomic issues like increasing CPI inflation are thus being pointed to by most analysts as the primary causes of the downside. For the time being, that is all there is to the reasons. It irritated me during the weekend, because people kept claiming, well, there's no real reason why the markets are going down, even after we started to notice drops on Thursday and Friday. Everything else is merely over-leveraged plays. Actually, geopolitical tensions are a major factor, but they aren't really related to blockchain technology in the big picture. Is it going to slow down this market? As a result of events in the Middle East, the market became frightened in this way. And this is usually the case when these situations present themselves as possibilities to acquire, caused an initial panic in the market, leading to a mass exodus of the prudent and precipitating precipitous drops in price. I personally acquired some XRP when it dropped all the way to 43 cents. I hadn't invested in XRP for quite some time, but it turned out to be a fantastic chance, since the price has recovered almost 20% of that decline. A number of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, took a major beating, joining Bitcoin and Ethereum, both of which had losses in the double digits. Now, one of them was definitely Ripple XRP, which has fallen 33% from its previous high of 72 cents on March 11th to its current price of 48 cents, as of this writing. Thus, it is clear that there is a need to address this. After the Bitcoin halving, it will be fascinating to observe the market reaction. Regarding that matter, it is common to observe a slight decline immediately following the Bitcoin halving, as we have observed in the past. This is because, in most cases, a run-up occurs before the halving. We may experience a temporary decline, but I've been saying lately that I'm rather positive on this previous decline, because it levels the playing field. From my point of view, the next spike won't occur until June, and I still expect a retreat before then. Now that the market has rebounded, XRP is back up to 51 cents. However, a prominent crypto analyst has expressed extreme bullishness, stating that XRP is set to experience massive gains of 1,000 to 3,000%, although the market for cryptocurrencies is still highly unpredictable. Now we may examine what he perceives. Rod Agostino shared a chart on X showing the price movement of XRP, a cryptocurrency, from 2017 to the present. Additionally, it forms a symmetrical triangle. The analyst's predictions for XRP's potential trading range and the first quarter of 2024 were spot on, according to them. In the past, I've brought up Eggrad because of his short-term price projections. Nevertheless, it appears that some of these analysts are currently merely hoping for the best. I will admit, though, that there have been a few instances where he has been correct. However, according to this chart, XRP, with a price above $10, might go as high as $20 if the breakout from the triangle formation is successful. It may be difficult for the vast majority of traders to make sense of the market's performance during periods of volatile trading, so pay close attention. Nevertheless, the chart below suggests a possible price objective ranging from $10 to $22 if similar partial moves occur again, thus I do believe this move will occur eventually. As I've been telling you, my target at the pinnacle of the bull run is about $22. Plus, I have some XRP that I really don't want to sell, so I'll be taking a profit if we reach that 22. But when we reach $22, I'll sell, take some winnings, and put some money back into the market. I, along with many of you and Ray, have been patiently waiting for that reward for years. However, in a separate tweet, the experts deny that XRP is falling and instead claim that it is retesting the lower band from the ascending channel. This rising channel, as its name implies, consists of multiple bands that have already established price points that serve as support or resistance zones. Given that XRP has been stuck in a consolidation zone for months, it's understandable that some commenters weren't convinced. Unfazed, Agra Crypto says the dip is a buying opportunity, not a weeping one. Please share your opinions with me in the space provided. When some of these pricing projections don't materialize as fast as we'd hoped, it might be frustrating. I can read charts, but these people are totally light years ahead of me when it comes to technical analysis. This is something these men do all the time, though. It is important to note that it is worth looking at their predictions for the future of these pricing. The video ends there. As always, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment with your opinions. Coming up shortly, farewell.